No matter where you're going, having a guide you can trust makes all the difference. Introducing Brevity, an immersion platform for the modern traveller. With unlimited, personalised itineraries, our experts take the stress out of planning a trip and put life's most valuable asset, time, back in your hands. Brevity gives members the ability to fully immerse themselves in the best hotels, restaurants, events, and experiences in every city around the world by providing thoughtful recommendations based upon your unique travel style. Don't spend hours sorting through endless options. Brevity does the work so you can explore with confidence and focus on what really matters. It's a big world out there and so much to explore. On your next journey, let Brevity show you the way.